Hello everyone, good morning all. How are you? All are fine? Great. So you all are taking your proper diets, keeping healthy. मैम ने आपको पिछले क्लास में बताया था what is keeping healthy. So you remember that what we did yesterday or on Monday? When we did it, EVS class was on Monday and we have done and we have learned about how we can keep ourselves healthy, what all activities we should follow, what all routine we should follow to keep ourselves healthy. So I hope you all are following that, eating all healthy food or all junk food. Healthy food, great. So now it's time to begin with our today's maths class. So what is the day today? Can anyone tell me? What is the day? Today is, I'm talking about day. So today is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. You remember days of the week? So today is third day of the week and that is Wednesday. And the date is 23rd September 2020. Okay. So this is your maths class and in maths we have done more or less. You remember that? मैम ने आपको टॉपिक सिखाया था what is more, what is less, how we can differentiate कि क्या ज़्यादा है क्या कम है. You remember we did with the help of water, then we did with beads. मैम ने आपको beads दिखाए थे. Then we also did with numbers. Count किए थे हमने numbers and then we find it out कौन सा ज़्यादा है कौन सा कम है. So today we are going to do something with that more and less only. Something new, something very interesting. So it's all about numbers. So just think it a game we are going to play with numbers and you are going to tell me which is one more and one less. Okay. So let's begin with the topic. So here I have something for you. मैम ने बोर्ड पे कुछ numbers लिखे हैं. You have to understand. It's just a game, a very simple game. Just you need to understand it. Okay. So what I have done, I have written some numbers. Can you see? So what I'll do, I'll just change this and circle it out. ठीक है? One more. And what we are going to do here? Here we are going to do one less. So अब ये क्या है? मैम ने कुछ numbers लिखे हैं like 4, 7, 2, 5, 3. You all can identify these numbers? Okay. I have written few numbers here also. 3, 6, 1, 4, 8. आपको दोनों साइड के नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं. अब हमें क्या करना है? One more. सबसे पहले आप मैम को ये बताइए what is the meaning of more? What have you understood with this word more? More माने कम या ज़्यादा? More माने ज़्यादा. ठीक है? अब क्या करना है? One more. एक और. One more मतलब एक और बस. One more. कई बार आप कहते हो ना मम्मा गिव मी टॉफी, मम्मा आपको 1 देती है. मम्मा one more. आप ऐसे ही बोलते हो ना मम्मा को, मम्मा one more, please मम्मा one more. So this is what we are going to do here. We are going to play this game. One more. Okay? Just one more. So how we are going to do? I have given you a number. अब इस नंबर में one more करना है and we are going to write that number here. So one more मतलब एक और. So what we are going to do? हम पहले काउंट करेंगे given number. ठीक है कि क्या नंबर हमें given है, उसमें हम क्या करेंगे? One more. एक और ऐड करके we'll count it again and then we'll write that number here. Understood? काउंट करना स्टार्ट करें? Okay. Very good. So the first number we have is 4. So what you are going to do? You are first going to open your fingers like this. First we'll count this number. What is this? 4. अब हमें क्या करना है? Make a fist and start counting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. अब हमारे पास 4 आ गए. 4 में अब क्या बोला है? One more. एक और ऐड करना है. So this is one more. ये thumb one more हो गया ना हमारा. Now we are going to count all of them together. अब हमें क्या करना है? सबको एक साथ काउंट करना है. How we are going to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what to be written here? Which number to be written here? We are going to write the number 7. So what's the next number we have? 7. What you are going to do? Again, count and open your 7 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 हो गए? All of you do it with me. मैम के साथ करिए. We'll count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now again one more. तो ये तो हमारे 7 हो गए. 7 में one more. एक फिंगर और ओपन कर लिया हमने. One more हो गया. Now we are going to count all of them together. How we are going to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's the number we got? We have got 8. So we are going to write 8 here. So like this and write 8. Okay. Now next we have is 2. So all of you open 2 fingers now. All of you will open 1, 2. And how many more? 1 more. 1, 2. अब इसमें 1 more. So now total how many? 1, 2, 3. So what we are going to do? We'll write 3 here. Understood? अब आप एक चीज खुद ध्यान से देखिए. 4, 5, 7, 8, 2, 3. आपको कुछ याद आ रहा है इससे? A similar concept we have done. Something similar. जब हम given number के next number लिखते थे. So what we call that concept? What comes after? है ना? One more मतलब after वाला number. याद आया? What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 7? 8. Counting में ऐसे करते थे? Okay. So now we have 5 here. Now you will tell me what comes after 5. What comes after 5? 6. Okay. So what I do? I write 6 here. It's written. अब हम इसको कैसे चेक करेंगे? One more वाले तरीके से. How? First we are going to open 5 fingers. All of you open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 open हो गई. And how many more? 1 more. 1 more हो गया. अब let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो हमारा क्या आ गया इधर? 6. So this 1 more is also similar to what comes after. Understood that? आपको after वाला concept बहुत अच्छे से आता है. I know. You all know that. So this is similar. 1 more का मतलब the next number. Understood? So now next we have here is 3. So 1 more. What number should I write here? Come on. Everyone. अब यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम? We are going to write 4. 3. 1, 2, 3 plus 1 more. अब एक और हो गया हमारे पास. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So what should be written here? 4. So like this I'm going to write 4 here. Is that clear to all? Great. Now moving to the next we have 1 less. What is the next topic? हमने क्या किया था? More and less. तो more का मतलब क्या होता है? When we are adding something. जब हमारे पास एक और आ जाता है. मम्मा ने आपको 2 टॉफीज दी हैं and after that पापा एक और दे देते हैं. 1 more. तो अब कितनी हो गई? 3. अब क्या है? 1 less. So what is this 1 less? You have 2 candies. आपके पास 2 टॉफीज हैं. 1 आपने खा ली. 1 is finished. तो अब कितनी रह गई? 1 less. एक कम हो गई. तो अब कितनी रह गई? So that you are going to tell me. Clear? So now the number we have is 3. What we have here? 3. So I'll just tell you. Let us take an example. You have 3 candies. So 1, 2, 3. 3 candies we have. Now out of that 1 less. 1 candy आपने खा ली. You finished it. So now how many candies are there with you? 1 2। जब जो चीज खत्म हो गई तो हमने उसको हटा दी ना वहां से, वो रैपर थ्रो कर दिया। नाउ हाउ मेनी मोर कैंडीज यू हैव? 2 more. So what we are going to write? 2 here. Understood? So next we have your 6. अब क्या है? We have 6 pencils. You all have 6 pencils. So for that, use your fingers. Make your fingers your pencils now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you have 6 pencils. Now one you have given to your friend. अब आपने एक पेंसिल अपने फ्रेंड को दे दी. How many are there with you? अब कितनी है आपके पास? Count. 1 2 3 4 5. तो हमारे पास कितनी रह गई? We have 5. So what we are going to write? We'll write 5 here. Now 1. So 1 chocolate bar. पूरी chocolate bar है आपके पास 1. And आपने खा लिया. You finished it. Or you can say your दीदी has finished it. एक chocolate bar मम्मा ने दी और वो भी दीदी ने खा ली. अब what do you have? एक ही थी जो दीदी ने खा ली. Now what do you have? Nothing. Yes, we don't have anything now. So what to be written? जब हमारे पास कुछ नहीं बचता तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? 0. And what is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. Very good class. So we are going to write 0 here. Is that clear to all? Okay. Next is 4. Now you have 4 erasers. आपके पास 4 erasers हैं. 1 eraser मम्मा को चाहिए था, so you gave to your mother. आपने मम्मा को दे दिया. Now how many eraser are there with you? 1 2 3. कितने eraser रह गए? 3 eraser. So class अब again just see one thing. 1 more में हमने क्या किया? What comes after? And 1 less what comes before. ये दोनों ही टॉपिक्स आप कर चुके हैं. What comes after भी आप कर चुके हैं and what comes before भी कर चुके हैं. So one more is what comes after and 1 less is what comes before. So now tell me what comes before 8? 8 से पहले what comes before 8? 7. Yes. And 1 less than 8 is also 7. Clear? So if you will just play it like a game, you will enjoy it. आपको गेम की तरह ही इसको सीखना है and just play it like a game. You'll enjoy it. So what you can do? Ask your parents to give you a number. उनको बोलो कि पापा give me one number. ठीक है? Let it be a single digit right now. तो आप उनको बोलो 1 से लेके 9 तक पापा कोई भी नंबर दे दीजिए and then you have to tell one more and one less. For example, अब मान लीजिए मैम ने आपको नंबर दिया like 7. So one more 7, one more in 7 and 1 less in 7. 7 में 1 more करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 1 less करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? This is how you can play the game. Is that clear? Okay, now moving towards your book work. So work to be done on page number 118. So book page number 118. Clear? So open your maths book and I'll tell you how you're going to do your today's work. Okay? So class, now open your number book 1. And in this book you are going to open it on page number 118. Can you see this? 118 page number. When you will open it, you will find the topic more or less. You find the topic more or less. So first thing is we are going to write today's date, 23rd September 2020, and classwork here. Clear? So what the question says? It says write the numbers that is one more than the given number. अब आपको यहाँ पे कुछ numbers दिए हैं. See 5, 2, 6, 3, 8, 1. Then we have 7, 4, 9. So these are few numbers given to you. What do you have to do? you have to write the number that is one more than these number. इस नंबर में जब वन मोर हो जाएगा तो क्या आएगा? As I have told you to do it on fingers, so you can do it. So for example, 5. So now we have 5. Can you see my fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 fingers. अब 5 में अगर हम वन मोर करते हैं तो what is the next number? What number should I write here? I'm going to write 6. So you'll write 6 like this. Is that clear to all? Next we have 2. So 1 more than 2. 2 plus एक और उसमें add हो जाएगा तो what will come? 3. So now here we have 6. 6. What comes after 6? As I told you, one more is what comes after. So 6. Now what should be written here? 7. Next we have is 3. What is to be written here now? 4. Next we have 8. So one more. 8 है आपके पास pencils और मैम आपको one more देती हैं. So how much number you have now? You'll have 9 pencils. Now we have 1. One finger. Now you have 1 and one more. So how many fingers are these? 2. So what we'll do? We'll write 2 here. Now next you have a 7. 7 and 1. 7 में 1 और आ जाएगा तो 8. Very good class. Next is 4. 1 more is 5. 9 we have. So what comes after 9? 10. Yes. So you'll write 10 here. Done? Now next we have is write the number that is 1 less than the given number. अब हमें क्या करना है? वो नंबर लिखना है जो 1 लेस होगा अब इसमें. So you have 8. अब 8 कैंडीज हैं आपके पास और 1 कैंडी आपने फिनिश कर दी. You ate it. आपने खा ली उसको. So how many are left with you now? 7. So you have to write 7 here. Now if you have 7, again 1 less. So what comes before 7? 6. So here you have 10. What comes before? 9. क्योंकि 1 number कम हो गया उसमें से. So now you have 4. See, you have 4 fingers. 1 finger close करनी है, 1 less करनी है. So now how many we have? 1, 1, 2, 3. So what is to be written here? 3. So again you have 3 fingers. Now 1 close. अब कितनी बची? 1, 2. So what is to be written? 2. Understood how you're going to do the work? Next is 9. So what comes before 9? 8. So next we have is 2. 1 less than 2. जब 2 कैंडीज हैं, एक फिनिश हो गई तो we have only 1 now. अब I told you 1 chocolate bar दीदी ने खा ली. अब हमारे पास क्या रहा? I don't have anything now. So what is to be written? 0. Yes, जब हमारी चॉकलेट कोई खा जाता है हमारे पास नहीं होती. So what is to be written? 0. So here we have 6. 6 में से 1 चला गया. What is to be written? 5. Understood how you are going to do your today's work? So this is how you are going to do your today's class work. Okay class, on page number 118. Now, so class, I hope today's work, your classwork as well as homework both are clear to you. So the very easy and a fun-filled way of practicing your today's concept is just ask one number from your parent and tell them one more and one less. That's it. This is how you can just learn the topic in a play way. Okay? So bye for now. Finish your work, share your work with me and get ready for the next class. So today is Wednesday. Which is your next class today? Think of it. Yes? Think of it and just wait. We'll start our next class. Bye. Take care.